Hey everyone! Today we are gonna talk about Revolut Referral bonus, which you can earn cash just by sharing it with your friends. In this video, I'll show you how to get your referral bonus and we'll discuss about who is eligible for the promotions and how much steps your invitee needs to complete. First, you need to go to your Revolut app and click on Profile from the top left corner. Now tap on Invite Friends. You can invite your contact list members by enabling contact permission, or if you want to invite specific person, you simply tap on share link. In this way, you can individually invite them and their name will be appeared here. Now let's see who is eligible for the promotions. As you can see here some specifications about residence and age. As for UK, Finland, Norway, Belgium, age has to be at least 13 years. For Spain, Austria, 14 years. For Poland, Netherlands, Hungary, which is 16 years. Now look at the other conditions, the referrer and the referee, which means you and your friend must be resident in an eligible market including your parents. But if your friends, which means the referee's parents resident, are not in an eligible market, it won't be a problem. Now, the other condition is the referrer and the referee must receive invitation to the promotion through Revolut under 18 app only if both sides are eligible for this. Now we will talk about those steps your friend need to complete. So basically your friends need to sign in Revolut app as new customers with the unique referral link you have sent them. Then they need to deposit money to their Revolut account by Google Pay, Apple Pay or bank transfer. And they also need to order physical card. If their card already associated with other Revolut feature, it won't count. And the invitee must have to make minimum purchase with their virtual card and physical card will work too. I hope you get clear information about Revolut referral bonus. Thanks for watching.